Mosquitoes in the forest are not just annoying. They carry disease. They drain focus. They turn rest into constant irritation. And in a survival situation, that irritation becomes a threat. Commercial repellent runs out. Batteries die. Resupply is not an option. But 3 field methods work, if you know the protocol. Mosquitoes are active at dawn and dusk. They hunt by detecting 3 things: carbon dioxide from your breath, lactic acid from your sweat, and body heat. They target exposed skin, neck, wrists, ankles. The goal is not to eliminate them. The goal is to make yourself less detectable, less attractive. Method 1. Pine resin smoke. Find a pine tree with damaged bark. Fresh resin will be visible, sticky and amber-colored. Collect a handful. Build a small fire. Once you have coals, not open flame, place the resin directly on the coals. It will produce thick white smoke. This smoke masks your scent and irritates mosquitoes. They avoid it. Effective radius: 3 to 5 meters around the fire. Duration: 20 to 30 minutes per application. Limitation: you need fire. The smoke irritates eyes. You cannot move. This method is for a static camp, not for travel. Method 2. Crushed leaves. 3 plants work in most forests: wild mint, sage, and yarrow. All 3 contain natural oils that mask your scent. Identification is critical. Wild mint, square stem, strong mint smell when crushed, grows near water. Sage, gray-green fuzzy leaves, strong herbal smell, grows in dry areas. Yarrow, feathery leaves, small white flower clusters, grows in open meadows. If you are uncertain, do not use it. Once identified, pick a handful of leaves. Crush them between your palms until they release oil. You will smell it immediately. Rub the crushed leaves directly onto exposed skin, neck, wrists, behind the knees, ankles. The oil disrupts the mosquito's ability to detect you. Duration: 30 to 60 minutes, then reapply. Limitation: you need the right plants. You need to reapply frequently. It is not a barrier, it is camouflage. Method 3. Ash and fat paste. This method is older than written history. It works because it creates a physical barrier. Collect cold ash from your fire, not hot, cold. Mix it with animal fat or plant oil if you have it. The ratio is roughly equal parts. You want a thick paste, not liquid, not powder. Apply it in a thin layer to exposed skin. The paste blocks mosquitoes from reaching your skin, and the smell repels them. Duration: several hours. This method lasts longer than any other field option. Limitation: it is messy, it is uncomfortable, it looks like war paint. But when you need uninterrupted rest, this is the method that works. No single method is perfect. Each has a specific use case. Pine resin smoke is for camp defense. Crushed leaves are for movement. Ash and fat paste is for long duration. In a real scenario, you combine them. Smoke protects the perimeter while you sleep. Leaves protect you while you move. Paste protects you during the night. This is not theory. This is protocol. A few critical warnings. Do not apply any plant material if you are allergic. Test on a small patch of skin before full application. Do not use poison ivy, poison oak, or poison sumac. They will not repel mosquitoes. They will send you to the hospital. Do not apply ash paste to broken skin or open wounds. Infection risk is higher than mosquito risk. And remember, these methods reduce bites. They do not eliminate them. If you are in a malaria zone or a dengue zone, physical barriers matter more. Long sleeves, long pants, netting if you have it. Repellent is secondary.
Coverage is primary. Mosquitoes are a problem you can solve with what's already around you: smoke, leaves, ash. None of them are perfect. All of them work. You don't need a store. You don't need resupply. You need the right plants, the right technique, and repetition. The forest provides the solution. You just have to know where to look. This is Cal Hunter, Grid Zero.